Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Abu, and today, I will help you learn how to refine edges in Photoshop. If you have seen my other Photoshop tutorial video, please look for the link in the description below. This is a detailed step-by-step removing the background using a selection tool and refining the edges in relation to that tutorial video. Okay, let's get on with this. First step is to separate the image from the background by making a selection around the image. There are several ways to do this, but for this tutorial, I'll use the Quick Selection tool. Click the Selection tool. Make the radius anywhere between 5 and 10 pixels. Drag the tool over the inside of your image. To remove areas of the selection, press and hold Alt or Option as you drag over those areas. Once you've covered all the areas, we can go ahead and click on the Layer Mask icon. Then, click the Create a New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. Click Solid Color, and go to the black area to choose black color. Then click OK or hit Enter. Then, drag this layer below your first layer. And before we continue with our tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell as well to keep you updated with our latest content and informative videos here on YouTube. Okay, now let's go back to our tutorial. Now if we zoom in, you would be able to see the rough edges. We are going to refine those rough edges by right-clicking on New Layer Mask and choose Select and Mask. And click the Refine Edge Brush tool. Zoom into your image. Then, click and drag brush around the edges to refine. As you can see, the rough edges become smoother. And we can make it even better if we make some adjustments in the properties. Settings may vary depending on the image you use. For this sample, the global refinement, settings for smooth is 1. Feather is 0.2. Contrast to 2%. Shift edge is -5%. And for the output settings, click and put a check on the Decontaminate Colors box. Click OK. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use one of the most important tools in Photoshop. Please catch me on my next videos to learn more on how to put your creative skills using Photoshop. I would like to hear from you and let me know if this works for you or you've got other way of doing this using Photoshop. Just comment down below and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.